Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change a password on Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your Remitly account's password, firstly go ahead and open your Remitly application. The homepage of Remitly application will appear on the screen. Click on Manage button at the bottom right corner of the page and then click on Profile option. You will end up on the profile section of your Remitly's account. Now all you need to do is click on Edit option right next to Password. Enter your current password, create a new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it and then tap on Save. This is how you can change your password on Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.